How to start a juice business in Dubai. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to start a juice business in Dubai. You'll learn about the trade license, approvals, costs, and compliance regulations involved, and how Trade License Zone can help you make the process smooth, efficient, and cost-effective. Dubai's food and beverage industry is booming. With rising demand for fresh, organic, and cold-pressed juices, opening a juice shop or bar here can be both profitable and rewarding. Why Dubai is a great place. Dubai is one of the fastest-growing hubs for health-conscious living. Several factors make it ideal for a juice business. Health and wellness trends. People are prioritizing nutrition and fitness, choosing juices and smoothies as healthier alternatives. Organic and cold-pressed juices. Demand is growing for nutrient-rich premium health products. Young, health-conscious population. Many residents under 40 are keen on detox cleanses, plant-based diets, and functional beverages. High foot traffic. Juice shops thrive in malls, gyms, yoga studios, and tourist areas. How to start a juice business. Here's the process you'll need to follow. Step 1. Choose a business structure. Most entrepreneurs opt for a limited liability company, or LLC, for its flexibility across the UAE. Free zones are also an option for 100% foreign ownership. Trade License Zone can guide you through this decision. Step 2. Select a location. Options include mall kiosks, standalone cafes, or mobile juice carts. Your target audience will determine the best fit. Step 3. Reserve a trade name. Your name must comply with Dubai's regulations. Clear, respectful, and unique. Step 4. Apply for initial approval. This is your no-objection certificate confirming your business activity is permitted. Step 5. Secure food safety approvals. The Dubai Municipality Food Safety Department will review your layout, equipment, and hygiene standards. Staff must also hold food handler cards. Step 6. Submit documents and obtain your trade license. Provide your trade name certificate, approvals, tenancy contract, and shareholder documents. Once approved, you'll receive your license. Step 7. Register for VAT if required. If turnover exceeds 375,000 dirhams, VAT registration is mandatory. License requirements. You'll need a commercial trade license, food and beverage activity approval, and Dubai Municipality Food Safety Department clearance. These approvals allow you to legally prepare, handle, and sell juices. Costs of starting a juice business. Startup costs vary, but typically include trade license, 8,000 to 15,000 dirhams. Rent and fit-out costs. Equipment such as juicers, blenders, fridges, and display units. Initial stock of fruits, vegetables, and packaging. Training and permits for staff. Overall, expect costs to range from 40,000 to 100,000 dirhams, depending on your setup. Juice business ideas that work well in Dubai. Popular concepts include cold-pressed juice bars, tropical juice and smoothie cafes, healthy juice and protein snack combo bars, mobile juice carts for events, subscription-based detox juice delivery, compliance and hygiene regulations. You must follow the UAE Food Code, ensure that all staff hold valid health cards, maintain strict hygiene protocols, and pass regular Dubai municipality inspections. Why work with Trade License Zone? Starting a juice business in Dubai involves several steps, including obtaining licenses and approvals, as well as ensuring compliance. Trade License Zone simplifies this entire process. We've helped tens of thousands of companies set up in Dubai, and we'll help you too. Our experts handle the paperwork, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Get in touch with Trade License Zone today and start your juice business in Dubai with confidence.